So you might be in a situation where you just went through and installed a new SSD inside of your Windows 11 PC, but for some reason, your SSD is not showing up at all. Now, depending on how you plugged it in, maybe you plugged it in via, a USB type port at the front, or maybe you actually installed it into the physical PC. There's a couple of different things here. Number one, you might want to go ahead and make sure that your SSD is properly connected to that motherboard that you have, or it's properly plugged in. If you have a laptop, whatever device you have, try seeing if it's properly connected, whether you plugged it into the USB port or you plugged it in directly into the port itself, like the PC. And go ahead and try double checking those things. And that's kind of the first place to start off with. Another thing is if for some reason it's not showing up at all, you might want to go through and open up disk management. You can do that by clicking the Windows key and the plus, the X button at the same time. And you want to select disk management, and you want to wait for the list of the drives to completely populate, and you want to see if your drive shows up there. If you have an SSD, it might be listed as an unallocated, drive. So you might have to right click on that drive. You might want to choose new simple volume. You want to follow the wizard prompts that kind of show up after. And then after the end, you should be able to go through and see that your particular, drive is now showing. You should be good to go. And that's probably all you're going to have to do at that point as well. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and possibly have someone else double checking your drive and making sure you installed it properly. Maybe if you're able to follow that particular tutorial for that particular SSD and make sure you followed all those steps and didn't skip anything, that can also be another very important thing to kind of think about there too. So those are kind of the main things to kind of keep in mind there for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.